6:43 a.m. and I'm about to go on the longest run I've ever been on. That's how I'm starting my morning. It is a 60-minute steady run, and I don't even know where I'm gonna run because that's such a long time. So I think I'm just gonna run randomly, but I wanted to vlog today, a day in my life. So I will film some on my phone on my run. I'm also gonna take my water pack. I'm really dehydrated, so I wanna make sure that I have water. I'm also gonna eat one of these. It's supposed to give you energy. I'm at 3 miles. I have 3 more to go, but I just needed a break because this hurts. Really, it's not been so bad because I've been preoccupied by the route I've been taking, like, because it's a new route. But overall, it's been a good run. It's such a nice morning. All the morning people are so nice. Like, when you run by people, they smile. It's so nice. I'm gonna walk until I feel like I have my energy back, and then I'm gonna run the rest of the 3 miles. Did it. 10K. Oh my gosh, that was hard. I probably paused and walked like 3 or 4 times. Bathroom break. One hill was like actually killer. Like my elevation gain, I'll put it on the screen because there were so many hills today. But I'm done, 6 miles. Yay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go shower because I'm dying. I had to walk so much. Usually I can just power through and just like slow down my pace, but the hills hurt so bad today. So that was my first 10K.
Of the emotional turmoil.
Hey, living. Okay, so this is what we're working with this morning. I'm trying to be fall-esque. Did I do the job? Today is the first football game at IU, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to go. I am just like exhausted, and I have so much to do, and my room is disgusting, and honestly I could get some laundry done tonight if I wanted to, so I'm thinking that I skip because I didn't buy season tickets anyways, and I just have a night in, which isn't very fun for the vlog, but it's gonna be so nice for me because I really wanna enjoy time on my own. Yeah, I'm about to go get a pumpkin cold brew, hopefully, if they have it. And then I am gonna go to breakfast at McNutt, and then I also got my nails done. I did a bunch of fall colors, so I'm all falled out right now. And I only have 2 classes today, which is very nice. So I'm done around 3 o'clock, and then I'm gonna come back here and maybe even take a nap because that 6 miles really took it out of me. I started to feel nauseous while I was doing my makeup, and I was like, oh no. came home from classes and took a nap, so I just now got up, brushed my hair, put on this tube top and these mom jeans or shorts, and I'm gonna touch up my, that was my nap alarm. I'm gonna touch up my barely done makeup. Yeah, I'm waiting here where the tailgate is and stuff like that, so. And I don't really want to go. But I'm gonna go because it's their first game. So I'm going, but I don't want to go. But I do because I love the people. Just don't want to do anything tonight. I'm vlogging today.
You have a what?
I'm vlogging today. Oh, I gotta get an energy drink.
Myself.
Okay, we're gonna go. I'm gonna vlog on my phone because I'm not bringing this camera. So we'll see at the tailgate. We're going to the tailgate field. We're crazy, living out our junior year. Hi! Hi YouTube. That's live? It's on the air. Look how interesting we are. I'm doing laundry. It's, what time is it?
8:43.
We are so much fun. Everybody's at the game and we're doing laundry.
This is a party school, people.
This is how we go to party schools.
Yep.
We're doing so much. We're living the college dream. Actually, this is my dream because let me just show you the laundry room and it is so nice. Okay, but
Where we want to be on Fridays.
yeah, and I'm in my pumpkin socks. Like, how could it get much better? Okay, we're gonna take a trip to the laundry room. Guys, it's empty. We love to see it. So I'm gonna put all my clothes in here. Very nice. So I'm washing my sheets and all my clothes, and I'm gonna go wash my dishes and like wipe down my surfaces and just like get everything charged. Basically get my life together tonight because I want to spend my Saturday and Sunday like very chill. The game was really fun. Well, the tailgating was really fun. I just basically walked around, so I did put some clips of that in there. But I'm just gonna be chilling, so if I do anything crazy, I will film it. Also realized that my Apple Watch is in the washer right now with my sheets because I have a pocket in my fitted sheet and I forgot I put my Apple Watch in there for my nap earlier. So it's in the washer, so hopefully it survives. I can't open it, or I would if you guys are wondering like, why don't you just go open it? They lock, so I can't get into it. So I'm gonna go see if it's still alive. It survived. It's alive. Time for rounds. So I had an alcohol incident, so I'm gonna write the report now. I can't show you any of like the information, but I will show you guys me typing it up. Ugh.